The Honeysuckle Valley is one of the most fertile valleys in all of the eastern seaboard. The Honeysuckle Valley is one of the most fertile valleys in all of the eastern seaboard.
Mike in the shot.
The Honeysuckle Valley is one of the most fertile valleys in all of the eastern seaboard. Settled in history.
Mike in the shot. What the hell are you doing?
The Honeysuckle Valley is one of the most fertile valleys in all of the eastern sea.
Cut.
God damn it!
Listen,
Like, who is this guy anyway?
it's a PA.
A PA? You don't have a sound guy?
He just didn't come into work today.
Oh my god. Well, why him of all people then? I want to get this all done in one shot if I can, and it's not going to happen if this guy's on sound.
Well, listen, Claude didn't show up for sound today. I'm sorry that he didn't.
Well,
He's
can
not
we give Claude a call then?
I can give Claude a call if you want.
Okay.
All right, let's...
Thank you. You need a good sound guy. If you don't have a good sound guy, then it's just not going to work at all. Make a PA that... that doesn't look good.
It's not picking up.
Well, look, I'm just not going to work with him, okay?
Listen, I know that he's garbage, but at this point, it's really the best thing we have.
Yeah, but the best we got is this, then we're not going to get anything done.
Wait. Just got a text from Claude.
What's he say?
It says, "Do not call this number again." All caps.
That's weird. No one usually texts like that, do they? I guess that's a possibility that it's just not him.
You think someone took Claude?
Where do you remember him last?
It's at his apartment, I think.
At least that's a good place to start.
So that's what we have to do.
That was easy. There's trash all over the floor, clothes thrown everywhere.
The lights are still on.
This is worse than we thought.
It's definitely a struggle. A game of solitaire here.
Wait, why didn't you just put the two in the
Going to the bathroom. There's two options here for the king.
What is this note?
The only journey is the one within. That's weird.
That's stupid.
It's kind of dumb, yeah. Hey, why are you holding the sound stuff?
Hey, PA guy, we're not paying you to drop logs. He's missing. What if this isn't just a Claude thing? This is like a sound guy thing.
Can you take this? This is a bigger conspiracy than I think we thought. What does that note say? The only journey is the one within. Journey. Don't stop believing. Believe it or not, I'm walking on air. Air Jordan.
Michael Jordan.
Michael Jackson.
Jackson 5. The Green Mile.
Marathon Mile.
Marathon Man.
Man in White.
Man on the Moon.
Moon the movie. What is that? 327 Nosnevets Avenue.
Is that an address?
It's the old pool hall.
Oh.
Here they are.
Hey! Huh? Where have you been? Why haven't you shown up to work today?
Been looking everywhere for you.
You know, just kind of, hang around.
We thought you were missing. We thought you'd been kidnapped.
Why would you think that?
We went to your apartment. There's all this stuff.
Just
all
stuff
this,
everywhere,
It's very
all over the
filthy
floor.
and very messy.
It's just a mess.
It's a very filthy home, sir.
That's rude.
There's this like fruity little note that said, "Oh, the only journey is within."
It's actually freeform poetry.
Oh, he's doing
freeform poetry.
Freeform poetry.
What, like a nerd?
Now? Look at me, I'm a nerd.
Roses are red, violets are blue. Who's a nerd?
Stupid. You should go to your job instead of going to nerd conventions.
You want to know why I didn't show up to my job? You guys you're jerks, okay? And the stuff we're doing, it's not even good. I either want to work on something that is good, or I like the people, or I'm getting paid a lot, and it's none of that. So you know what? Just screw off.
least I go to my job. I think the PA left because we were mean to him.
Must be.
Looks like we got some thinking to do.